Okay, so this is Simon. He's the smallest of the litter, the only one still available. We estimate his weight to be no more than 4.5 pounds full grown. He wants his mommy, but I just wanted to take a short video of how cute he is. This is Simon. He'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. Their eyes are already open and they're just starting to learn to walk right now. They're sitting upright and walking. So there's Simon. There's his head, and here, let's put him down. Hey, go buddy. There's Simon. Simon! Their ear canals are just starting to open, so they're just, I think they can barely hear right now. Okay, he wants mommy. So one more view. There he is. He wants mama. He's a very handsome guy. He looks just like his brother Teddy did. Just like his brother Teddy did at 2 weeks old. So there he is.